Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Congratulations on the 3 winners from last week's giveaway. We're going to open up this week's giveaway, which runs until midnight Friday. Winners will be drawn on Saturday. So the prizes this week is not 1, not 2, but 3 Peter Rabbit 2020 50p coins. It's really simple and free to enter, as you know from the previous giveaways. All you have to do is just comment in the comment section below. Your name then will go into the bowl, and then 3 different winners will be chose. If you are a lucky winner, all you have to do then is just comment your email address in the comment section, and then I'll email you, sort all the postage out, I'll pay for it all, and then I'll get the coins over to you. Big shout out to everyone that's subscribed as always. We're getting at least 20 fresh subscribers every day, so the channel is really picking up now. And these giveaways are really just to say thank you for all of your support and watching these videos. So just to finish, all you have to do is just comment on this video, your name will then go into a bowl, and then there'll be 3 different winners chose out the bowl there in 1 week's time. Big thanks again for everyone watching, good luck everyone, and as always guys, thanks for watching.